how to use Cash App 2025 full tutorial. If you want to use Cash App, what we do is, I'm assuming you've already went ahead and then opened up your Cash App account, because I won't be going to that. If you do not have a Cash App account, we've also made a dedicated tutorial for that, so you could simply search them in our channel if you'd like. But basically, once we're here on the app, this is the default page that you will see. So we will be on the page where we can request and pay money. So let's say I want to send money to someone. Let's say I want to send $50 to someone. I type that in here. Now I tap on the pay option that you can find. Then you'll see to. So to means you can either enter that person's name, cash tag, phone, or email. And once you've done that, you can select you want to use cash balance to send money from your cash balance or your debit card by simply tapping on it and switching on it. You can also pay someone by simply scanning the QR code by tapping the QR code icon from the top left of the screen. Then when you tap this little QR code icon from the top left, you can see it says scan QR code to pay. I can simply scan the QR code. If I want them or others to scan my own QR code, I can go to my code section. Now if you want to request money from someone, you can tap on the request button and select the person from whom you want to request the money, and then you'll be able to request money on Cash App that way. Aside from that, if you come to this card icon here, the card icon is where you can order and manage your Cash App card. So if you have not yet ordered, you can get your free card. As you can see the button, and you can fill in the application to order it. After you order it, you'll find all the necessary options to manage your card details, like your PIN, the security, the number, and everything else. When we come to the home tab, this is where we can add money to our Cash App, and if we have balance on our Cash App, we can also withdraw those money. We can see all of our direct deposit options via paychecks. We can also manage our savings. We can make even Bitcoin transactions as long as the Cash App account is verified. We can manage our stocks, so we can choose to buy and sell stocks. We can also pay taxes from here, and we can also add a family. We can also deposit paper money if you have got paper money by finding a nearby retailer. You can also auto reload it. When you come to the search tab over here, this is basically some of the recommended offers. So I'm sure you won't be spending much time here. If you come to this activity icon, this is where you'll find the activity for all of your Cash App history. If you tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, you'll be taken to the page where you can manage your account personal details, like you can verify your identity from here, you can find your cash tag, you can edit your profile and change your cash tag, and then you can go to personal, add in your phone number, address, email, and so on. You can go to linked banks, link your bank account, and similarly other options. And this is the way on how we can use Cash App as a beginner. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.